Hey, what's up, Eat Me Travel You viewers? It's Mike, Jackie, and JM. Welcome to our channel. We have stayed in over 80 plus hotels in the Philippines and abroad. We share hotel stay reviews, restaurant food reviews, and tips for your next staycation or vacation tours.
So here we are again at Via Appia in Tagaytay. This is their smallest room. It's a twin bed configuration. You can ask also for a queen size. Yeah, basic amenities as you can see. Not much what you can expect from a 3-star hotel. It's just a bidet, some worn out towels, some toothbrush, soap. So it's a twin bed, just twin bed configurations. There's a TV with no cable TV, just internet, a desk, a stool, and a view of the countryside here in Cavite in Tagaytay. So it's very cozy out here. So we'll be back here soon. And that's it. See you in the next video.